Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
Lie down. Lie down.
Whisper. Does he want to get a bath?
You ain't gonna find shit in there broke because of you. Just kidding.
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty.
Who went into dirt and rolled around? I thought so.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
You're adopted.